Hey beauties, and welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner. So today I want to show you the Sensational Half Wig Instant Weave Drawstring Cap, and this wig number is IWD4 and my color is the number 2. So as you can see, I am adding the tentation across my hairline to make sure that my hairline doesn't look like sparse and that it looks full just like the wig is full. So it does have wig clips here. I'm putting it on my head to see if it looks right. It has like an invisible part, so not a real full part, but the hair is kind of laid where the part should be. So I'm just making sure everything aligned, and then I'm going to flip the wig pins or the wig clips into my braids. Make sure it feels good. Do not skip this step if it feels if it hurts, because your hair will hurt the entire day. So once I do that, I did secure that the drawstring in the back was nice and tight, but again, not too tight. And here I'm just gonna play around with the wig until I like it, and then do the same with my real hair. And I like to use my fingers so the curls don't really fall. And next I'm going to use this wax stick around my edges. Do not use the edge control, use wax stick, so your edges don't revert. And then I'm just gonna slick that down, and then also I'm going to put a headband on my edges so it can lay flat. This is gonna make it look like the wig is growing from my own scalp. I don't like lace fronts, so this is the only way I can achieve that kind of like semi-flawless look. If you noticed before, I didn't have that much hair color, so I'm going in with the black this time. The other one was a dark brown, and still going to just smooth it out so it can look natural. And as you can see right there, it makes the hair looks like, it looks thicker. I don't have problems with the edges, but your edges never look as thick as the wig. And I also forgot to secure that middle clip right there, so that's all I'm doing. Don't forget that step too. You don't want your wig to be sliding or fall off your head because you didn't secure it properly. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going to smooth out my real hair again, and then here's the band. I'll say just put this on maybe until you're ready to leave. For me, for the video purposes, I'm probably just going to leave it on for like 5 minutes and just play around my hair, play around with the hair until I get it to look exactly like I want it. But the curls are really pretty. It's lightweight. It's not thin, but it doesn't feel like it's a lot of hair either. So I do like it. I don't get hot in it. I'm not using a wig cap. This is some edge control strictly just for the edges. But honestly, y'all, this wig is I think it's going to be my signature. This is the second time I bought it, and I'm like, yeah, this one, it's it right here. So the color, the texture, it looks like yaki. It blends in with my hair color perfectly. I really don't have any negative things to say. I wish I could comb it out more, but without losing the curl pattern. But this is a synthetic wig, so it is what it is. I think I paid around 20 something dollars for it. Again, I'm going to purchase this again and again and again. So if you have any questions, please let me know. This is pretty much the routine. I'll take the wig off every night, and I'll just put, a scarf on my head so my real hair can lay down. Yeah, it's really simple, y'all. Really simple. I don't wear it every day because I do like to work out. So this is mainly like my go out, my weekend wig. It's not stiff at all. You can see back here. It looks natural. I think it looks natural. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.